Aisha, ready? Mango. Mango. Very good. Can you now tap? Cat. Cat. Very good. Can you now tap? Very good. Can you now tap? Very good. Ready? Can you tap? Apple. Apple. Very good. Can you tap? Mango. 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 Tap again. Tap again. Good. Zebras. Zip. Zebra. Very good. Rabbit. Rabbit. Very good. Did you enjoy? Okay. Now I'm going to teach you 5 special letters of English. Okay. What are the 5 special letters? Vowels. Very good, Chellama. A, E,